Hey guys, it is Una-chan here, and today I'm going to be introducing a new series. Now this is a series, oh sorry if you can't hear me for a second. This is a series where I will be playing a survival world. I will be playing it on Minecraft Pocket Edition. I am signed into Xbox Live right now for a reason. Sorry, my cat's here. Sky, shh, be quiet. She just had surgery, so she's in my room. Anyways, this is a series where it will be survival. What did I just say? Sorry. Where I will be in survival. And see, that is me. This, I don't know what to say. Okay, anyways. I will be inviting people, to play on this with me. So this is just a way to boost up YouTube channels, or just to play Minecraft particularly. So if y'all want to play, y'all have to have two things: one, Minecraft Pocket Edition, and two, Xbox Live account. But it has to be for the Minecraft Pocket Edition, because this is the one you don't have to pay for. Anyways, I will be picking one person out of the comics every day, out of the comic section every day, to join, and I'll be putting the name up here. I'll be adding their boxes. Now, I have two boxes in here that are actually named. I have mine, and you all can see what's in there when I start the series. Then I have my friend here, whose YouTube channel is Matt Kirk, and her Xbox Live account is Caitlin. And that red one in there, that's an open one that I have open for people. So if y'all want to join, please recommend, because I don't want to be lonely. And Matt Crick is in there because I just created this world and made everything. But that's in there because I know she wants to do this with me to boost up her YouTube. Anyways, over here we have some small shops. Now these are places where you can smell small items. Like if you have a couple of things that you don't want, you'll put over here. Like I'll have chests in here later, probably not. And you'll put your name. We'll trade something for something. Now you're allowed to remove these for signs, of course. But you can also put chests here and then have the things in there and stuff. So yeah. And then we have 3 of them. But one rule I really have is no griefing, and another one is don't take anything from spawn and stuff unless it's your shulker boxes and the stuff inside. So yeah. Oh, and I just realized I actually have to add something. Now, of course, when I add you, if y'all play, if I so let's just say we all have block launcher, because that's what I use to get my mods, and we have mod installers. We all have the same mods installed, and we might get more mods and stuff each episode or something like that. But if we all have mods that we can all use, it might make this a modded survival thing. So yeah, I just really wanted to introduce this right now because I didn't want to be the only one playing on the server and then maybe nobody comes. But yeah, I'm really only going to start this if I can get more people to come. I'll start one episode. I might do a couple episodes by myself, because this is not a world where anybody can get on whenever. This is one where you have to get on when I'm on, because yeah, and I'm not always going to be able to be on and stuff. Sometimes I won't have internet to actually play Xbox Live with people. So yeah, but if you really want me to start this, let's see if we can get to 10 likes. Yes, 10 likes. Let's also see if I posting this on both my channels, guys. Just so y'all know. And yes, I have two. One's Luna Chan, and and the other is Galaxes Wolf. And now, sorry, I was just planning to only post this on Luna Chan, but then I'm like, wait, I don't have any subscribers to this one. I do have a couple on Galaxes Wolf. Galaxes, yeah. Anyways, that's what's gonna be happening. And guys, if y'all know how to install mods, because like for the computer, I can install them, but it won't let me put them in my resource pack. And I only have one computer, which is a Mac, so I don't know. I might be getting a Chromebook soon, so yeah. But yeah, guys, I guess that's gonna end it here. I will see y'all later. Let me just go throw this away and I will end the episode. So, yeah. Peace out.